Anyone with ADHD in the room? Person who said probably. I want you to turn that into a yes. Self-diagnosis is valid and real. So, ADHD, yes is in the room and the probably in the room. If I say something and call it ADHD, just play along, I'm doing it for the bit. So, it's about a lot more than just being distracted all of a sudden. Well, one of the things they don't tell you is it comes with the inability to make decisions. In games, they call this analysis paralysis, I just call it life. So, it's like, the most simple things, like, what do I want to have for tea tonight? I have to make that decision every fucking night. I don't fucking know. So, my partner had this really great idea. He was like, just write down 6 things you might want to eat, roll a dice, whatever it lands on, bam, that's what you're eating. And I took that way too far, and that was how I lived my life for the last 10 years. Get up, 6 things I might want to do, roll a dice, bam. That's how I decided to go to uni. That's how I decided to get a dog. That was how I decided to get a media degree. That was a critical fail. That's how I decided to get married. Don't tell Zach. Zach the man I married, or I'm a bit on the side. You'll never know. But yeah, so then I moved very recently. I moved up to the north. I was born in the Midlands, a place that doesn't exist if you're in the north. Or the south, I found. But, and while I was moving, the saddest thing happened. I lost my decision-making dice. Always gets a really big reaction. So I lost my decision-making dice, and I was like, what? And I legit had a panic attack about this, because that was how I made basic decisions. And again, my partner, Zach, spoilers, he said, just roll an imaginary dice in your head. Bastard tricked me into making a decision.